Hey guys, this is Morgan Brown. Today we're in Bridgeland checking out their newest model homes. This one is by Tri Pointe. Let's check it out. The Tri Pointe Savoy floor plan features a cozy study at the front of the house. The kitchen features granite countertops, floor-to-ceiling cabinetry, 5-burner cooktop, and a spacious stainless steel undermount sink. Imagine spending time with your loved ones in this open concept family room with wide open views of your gorgeous backyard. Imagine all of the memories you can create in your bright, oversized ski room upstairs. Tri Pointe Savoy floor plan is 4,300 square feet. It features 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, a game room, a media room, and a 3-car garage. Tri Pointe's homes range in price from the mid-600s to just over $1 million.